and this is my sister Alison.
Here we are in a bedroom. Now, bedroom should really only serve two purposes: rest and romance.
A good night's sleep is essential to our health and well-being, and a bedroom is a place where love and intimacy take place. So if you're interested in improving or attracting a relationship, a bedroom is a great place to start.
You can change your love life by changing your bedroom.
So let's talk about ways that we can improve this bedroom, whether you want to enhance an existing relationship or you're looking to attract a new one.
There are a couple of things in this bedroom that are actually already going really well. For example, the bed is in a terrific position. You always want to position the bed so that you have a solid wall behind you and a view of the door.
It's just human nature that that's how you'll relax the most, when you feel supported from behind and you can see who's entering the room. Another thing that's going great is that this is an organic mattress. And one of the first steps to a healthy relationship or attracting a relationship is to feel really good about yourself. And certainly a good night's rest and health and well-being is so essential to feeling good about yourself. So we always recommend choosing organic if you can.
The other thing that's great is this bedroom's pretty clutter-free. There really isn't too much going on. It looks pretty good.
I don't know. Should we look?
Should we look? Okay, we always have to peek at the closets. And yes,
so
there's a little bit of clutter,
but you know, still pretty good. Yeah. And clutter-free is so important because clutter just drains our time and energy, keeps us bogged down in the past. You know, you want to just let go of whatever is not in alignment with who you are now, whatever your current goals and values are. Make space for new and better things to come into your life.
Exactly.
Not to mention it just stagnates energy and gets in the way of a good night's rest too. Home office in the bedroom. This is definitely something to avoid. If you can avoid having your home office in the bedroom, do so. Locate it somewhere else, because work is not in alignment with sleep and romance, and those are the only two purposes that a bedroom should serve: sleep and romance. And having electronic equipment in your bedroom just literally keeps you wired. And you know, it's just a visual reminder of all the things that you need to get done, not supporting either sleep or romance. So we recommend locating the home office somewhere else.
And you know, we actually see this all the time. A lot of bedrooms multitask as other rooms. Home offices, exercise rooms, entertainment centers. And I know this is going to be tough for a lot of people, but if you have a TV in your bedroom, you might want to consider moving it somewhere else. I know that's tough, but again, if romance and rest are really your objectives, then a TV doesn't support that. Also, exercise equipment. We see a lot of exercise equipment in bedrooms, and when you're lying in bed, looking at the exercise equipment, thinking I have to get up tomorrow and work out,
or especially if you didn't work out that day
and you're feeling a little guilty, neither supports a good night's sleep or romance.
And one more thing worth mentioning too is that often that's single people looking for a relationship, we do find the home office in the bedroom, and that can be a metaphor for work taking the place of romance, because our homes really are reflections of who we are. Mm-hmm. And so we often find that single people, that the work is in there. So take the work out, have balance, welcome in the relationship. Photographs can be wonderful positive enhancements, but not so many, not in a bedroom. For two reasons. For sleep, it's very active energy, all those, you know, kind of people calling out to you, all those voices. And for romance, because you know, having an intimate moment with all those eyes staring at you, it just doesn't really
You don't
work.
need your friends and family in the room when you're trying to get romantic. I think it's that simple.
Enough said. So, second thing, there's only one bedside table and one lamp, and we do see this time and time again for people looking for a relationship. When you are looking for a relationship, you want to act as if you're already in one. You want to make room for that person to come into your life. So bring in another bedside table and another lamp. And
even if you're in a relationship, you want to make sure that both partners have an equal side bedside table, just to show equality in the relationship.
Yep, it brings harmony to the relationship.
Exactly.
Another thing about this room is that it's very cool. It's very white, and white can be really peaceful. But for a relationship, for bringing more romance, spicing up a current relationship, or attracting a relationship, you really need a little more energy, a little more warmth. So we suggest bringing color into this room.
Colors associated with love, I mean, I think people think of reds and pinks, but also colors that are more sensual, burgundies, chocolate browns, anything that kind of feels romantic.
What is your view from the bed? When you're lying in bed, what are you looking at? Because your the first thing you see upon waking and the last thing before you go to sleep sets such a powerful intention for you. And that's part of what we're doing here is we're trying to set intentions in our home. We're bringing our dreams into our home. So currently, right now, when you're in bed, you're looking at a orchid, which is kind of past its time. It's dead. So that's probably not the most positive way to start your day or end your day. And so that can also be a real opportunity to put an intention there to improve your relationship or attract a relationship. So we're going to come up with some kind of visual that's in alignment with those goals.
Okay, I think we should dive in and start making a few changes.
Great. Take out the dead orchid. Not a good enhancement.
And I think you'll see that although they were kind of small changes, it made a huge impact.
It made a huge difference. It's really transformed.
So let's start over here. We actually brought in 2 different side tables, which, as we said, if you're in a relationship, you want to have 2 because it kind of provides equality and harmony in your relationship. And if you're single, you want to act as if you're already in a relationship and create a space. So when you have a partner, they have a space too.
And then we brought more harmony to the relationship by having matching bedside lamps.
Well, we have a lot of things in pairs. We have the 2 matching bedside tables, the 2 paintings that go together, and anytime, again, you want to kind of support the idea of a relationship and couple, you want to put things in pairs.
And then one of the biggest changes to the room was adding color. This really just brought some life to the room, and anything that you bring to the room, you're also bringing into your life. So we brought in some warmth, some energy. And
I think the room seems much more playful.
It does.
Which is a big part of romance. Another huge difference, we removed the desk. No more home office in the bedroom. Now we have a bench, which is great for reading, lounging, and again, it's just kind of reinforcing that idea of relaxing and having this be more of a retreat and a sanctuary than an actual office.
And then over here, we were very focused on what the view was going to be first and last upon waking. So we have this beautiful, healthy plant to replace the dead plant, and we really set intentions for the relationship.
We have little things like love and friendship and dream and celebrate, and we used a magic marker, and you can write anything you want to. Very simple, very easy to do, and a great way to set your intention.
We also added plants to the balcony. Because there's this beautiful balcony and it's such a nice view either from the bed or from sitting on the new bench, and so just bringing some life and some color to the balcony makes a big difference.
I think the bedroom is now ready for a good night's sleep and a little romance.
I agree.